video, I'm going to discuss what you should do in the month of Sawan to have unlimited wealth, abundance, prosperity, good relationship, as well as good health. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. First, you need to understand, as per the Shiv Puran, if you are doing any type of remedies, rituals, or if you are praying to Lord Shiva, you are doing the mantra chanting, you are doing any type of donations, or you are doing meditation, remembering Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, then you are going to get 1000x results during this time. So please don't miss the opportunity. This is a very auspicious time. Whatever tap and tapasya done during this time, you are going to get 1000x results. As if you are doing any type of mantra chanting, remedies, donations, as per your wish during this time, you will notice that within few months that wish will also going to get fulfilled, because Lord Shiva is the easiest god to impress. So now let's discuss about what you should do in the month of Sawan to invite unlimited wealth and prosperity in your life. So to invite unlimited wealth and the prosperity in your life, first you should chant the mantra 108 times, minimum 108 times is Om Hrim Namah Shivaya. So this mantra you have to chant 108 times, and the best time of chanting this mantra during this time is in the Brahm Muhurat between 4 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. So you have to wake up early in the morning in the Brahm Muhurat. You have to take a bath. If possible, then try to add little bit of Ganga Jal in your bathing water. So why Ganga Jal? Because during this time, if you are going to add Ganga Jal in your bathing water, it is going to help you out to remove your past life karmic blockages. So you have to add little bit of Ganga Jal in it, and you have to wear the light color clothes like white, light pink, green. As much as you wear the white color clothes, you will feel more connection with Lord Shiva during this time. Try to avoid wearing black and blue color clothes, especially when you are doing prayers during this time. So this is a mantra that you need to chant. Along with this, you have to offer anar juice to Shivling. So little bit of anar juice you have to offer to Shivling, and when you're offering anar juice to Shivling, you have to keep on chanting the same mantra. It is going to help you out to invite more abundance, unlimited wealth in your life. It is clearly written in our Shiv Puran that whatever you are offering to Lord Shiva, you should donate to the needy, because your intentions matter a lot. So make sure that whenever you are offering anar juice to Lord Shiva, so throughout this month you have to offer anar juice to Lord Shiva, and you have to donate the same to the needy. Even if you are not finding the needy also, in that case you can distribute among the family members as a prasad too. This is going to help you out to invite unlimited wealth, abundance, and the prosperity in you. In any case, you are not able to go to any temple, any nearby temple during this time, you don't have a shivling at your home, then in the Shastra, it is clearly written that you can assume your thumb as shivling. So try to assume your thumb as shivling, and little bit of it you have to offer anar juice to your thumb, imagining, visualizing, and putting an intention that you are offering the same to Shivling. The result will be similar as you are offering to Shivling in the home temple, in your house temple, or offering to your thumb. So it's clearly written in our Shastra that you can assume your thumb also as a Shivling while offering anything, and you have to distribute the same to the needy. This way also you can pray. Your intentions matter a lot. In any case you are not able to reach to the temple, you don't have a shivling at your house, or you don't want to offer through the thumb also, in that case you close your eyes, visualize that you are offering anar juice to the shivling daily at the same time. Again the result will be the similar one, because your intentions matter a lot. In any case you are not able to find anar juice, or you are not able to find anar juice daily, in that case while visualizing it also, while meditating it, that you are offering anar juice to the shivling, and keep on chanting this mantra in your mind, result will be the similar one. Along with this, you have to offer water to Lord Shiva. You have to offer sandalwood to Lord Shiva. Make sure that whenever you are applying sandalwood to Lord Shiva, you have to use these three fingers: index finger, middle finger, and the ring finger, while applying to Lord Shiva. And the same you can apply it on your forehead too. If you want to activate your Ketu positively, in that case you can apply the sandalwood that you apply to Lord Shiva behind your ears too, and on your throat. It is going to help you out to activate your savings. It is going to give you unlimited wealth as well as clarity of mind and the prosperity in your life. Along with this, you have to offer Bel Patra to Lord Shiva. So you have to offer 1 Bel Patra, 3 Bel Patra, or 5 Bel Patra to Lord Shiva, and pray for overall prosperity, abundance. This is something that you need to do throughout the month of Savan, and you will notice that overall in the year you will never ever face scarcity of money in your life. Make sure that you are doing it in the Brahm Muhurat there, because there is a lot of importance being given in our Shastra. If you are doing these remedies in the Brahm Muhurat, then you are going to get maximum results out of it, and you can feel the energy of Lord Shiva, because during this time Lord Shiva come on this earth to bless us and to fulfill our desires. If possible, then try to wear the 7 Mukhi Rudraksha while doing the remedies related to the money. So if you are wearing the 7 Mukhi Rudraksha and doing these remedies and chanting mantra, so you will feel more connected to Lord Shiva, and 7 Mukhi Rudraksha is there to invite more abundance, prosperity, and will help you out to increase your money, will give you a lot of stability money wise, career wise, overall wealth. It is connected to the planet Saturn, which is a planet of money and unlimited wealth in your life. So if possible, then try to wear the 7 Mukhi Rudraksha while following this ritual. It is going to help you a lot to accumulate them. For the good health, during the Savan month, you should chant, recite Mahamrityunjay Jap for at least 5 to 10 minutes, or at least 108 times in the Brahm Muhurat between 4 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. Sitting near the Shivling only, first you need to offer water to Shivling, then you need to offer rice to Shivling, and then you need to offer Dhatura to Shivling. Throughout the Savan month, you have to donate rice to the needy. In any case, you are not able to donate the rice to the needy. In that case, you can distribute among the family members also as a prasad. The best is during that time, if you're wearing the 5 Mukhi Rudraksha, it is also going to help you out to heal you from any type of health issue, and will always protect you from any type of health issues. Daily between 6:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. during the evening time, you have to light up a ghee lamp near Lord Shiva and pray for your health. With the blessings of Lord Shiva, you will feel much more protected, and you will be able to overcome any type of bad doshas or health issues that is shown in your birth chart. If you are facing relationship problem, love relationship problem, you are not able to attract the right partner, then throughout the Savan month, you have to take 1 Bel Patra, you have to apply honey on it, and daily you have to offer the same to Lord Shiva. Any type of bad doshas you have in your birth chart, like Manglik dosh, you have a Saturn sitting in your 7th house, or any type of bad doshas in your birth chart, due to which you are facing problem in getting married, or you are facing problem in your love relationship, or you have a karmic relationship with your partner or with your husband, then this remedy works very well. Daily throughout the Savan month, you have to offer Bel Patra, applying honey on it, and offer the same to the Shivling, praying for your marriage, praying for your love life. After that, daily you have to donate honey to the needy, or you can keep the honey there only. So your temple can use it for the puja purpose. This is going to help you out to remove any type of karmic blockages which you are facing relate in your relationship, love life, as well as if you're struggling to get attract the right partner. The mantra that you need to chant during this time, Om Namah Parvati Pate Har Har Mahadev. Continuously, daily for 108 times, you have to chant this mantra, putting an intention. You're looking to get married, or you want to solve any love related problem, or you want to get married to the one whom you are in love with. Put this intention to Lord Shiva. With the blessings of Lord Shiva, all your wishes will come true. Along with this, to improve your relationship, and if you're facing problem in getting married, start wearing the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha. Wearing the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha has a tremendous benefits. If you're wearing the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha in the month of Savan, you will be able to attract the right partner, and you will be able to see that lot of your love related problem is going to solve. So as per your problems and as per your need, try to follow these remedies. It has a tremendous benefits. Again, I'm repeating, don't miss this opportunity. Try to chant mantra, try to do more donation, try to do more tapasya during this time, because right now you can feel the energy of Lord Shiva, and with the blessings of Lord Shiva, all your wishes will come true. Share me on the comment if you still have any questions related to the Savan. I will be happy to answer that.